In a world often divided by borders, languages, and differences, there are moments that remind us we are one. Welcome to the Global Encounters Festival, a breathtaking celebration of unity, identity, and community hosted by the Ismaili Jamaat in the vibrant heart of Dubai. Ismailis from over 50 countries came together in a festival that wasn't just about music or sports. It was about hearts connecting, cultures intertwining, and spirits rising. This wasn't just an event, it was an encounter of values, of faith, service, and shared purpose. And now, in 2025, the magic returns. Dubai will once again open its arms to over 4,000 talented young Ismaili Muslims, artists, athletes, performers, all ready to share their passion, creativity, and pride in who they are. Held across the city, including the iconic Dubai World Trade Center, this year's Global Encounters Festival is set to welcome 25,000+ visitors from around the world.
What can you expect?
Art exhibitions that tell stories beyond words, cultural performances that move your soul, sports competitions full of passion and pride, concerts featuring global stars like Shreya Ghoshal and Shehzad Roy. Held under the patronage of Sheikh Mansour bin Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum and part of UAE's Year of Community 2025, this festival is a celebration of youth, unity, and service.
This is more than a festival.
It's a movement, a reflection of who we are as a global Jamaat, connected by faith, united in diversity, committed to a better world.